Oyo was once great, its cavalry feared, its might unmatched, but now all I see is weakness. The Alaafin no longer commands respect. The Oyo Mesi are fragmented, fighting for power instead of unity. Ilorin is the crossroads between the Yoruba heartlands and the northern territories. It's strategically placed for trade, for power, and for influence. With the right alliances, we can shape its future, not as part of Oyo, but as a force in its own right. And these alliances, are you sure we can trust the Muslims? Their influence grows, but the traditions of Ilorin are still deeply rooted in the Yoruba ways. Without effort, you cannot know where you will land, Olufemi. Islam is more than faith here, it's a tool for unity. We can build a coalition between the traders, the scholars, and the military. Together, we will be unstoppable.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
General Afonja, your reputation precedes you. The people here respect you, and your ambition to lead Ilorin is known. Ilorin is a land of opportunity. Together, we can build a future that balances the traditions. We must blend the wisdom of the past with the needs of the present. Islam will not divide us, it will unite us. Afonja has gone too far. His ambitions in Ilorin threaten the unity of the empire. We cannot allow one general to unravel what has taken centuries to build. But Majesty, his influence is growing. The people in Ilorin are no longer under Oyo's control. If we do not act, he may lead them to break away completely. We must remind him of his place. Emissaries will be sent to Ilorin. He must return to his loyalty to the throne, or there will be consequences. The future of Ilorin is clear. We will grow stronger each day, uniting the people with faith, trade, and power. The Oyo Empire is crumbling, and with it, their hold on this land. We will not wait for change, we will make it happen.
General, your vision is what Ilorin needs. We will follow you, as the soldiers do, as the traders do.
Together, we will make Ilorin a force to be reckoned with.
Afonja sends his regards, Majesty. He remains loyal to the Empire, but he sees the future in Ilorin. He will not return unless given a reason that serves both his people and his future. He has made his choice. If he will not return to serve Oyo, then we must act. We will remind Afonja of where his loyalties must lie.